guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having a beautiful, blessed day or evening. Today I wanted to do an unboxing from the Skin Store because they're having a big Black Friday sale starting today. So I wanted to share with you some of the items that I picked out, and if you stay towards the end, I picked one item for you for a giveaway. So if you stay towards the end, you'll learn what item it is and how you can win it. So I don't quite remember what I picked out, so I'm gonna go through this. So I picked out different things at different price points. A lot of things around $20 that I thought would be great stocking stuffers for my family. So one of the things I picked out was, I actually got this for my dog. It's the thick and curly, it's gonna go in his stocking stuffer. I have a golden doodle, and if any of you have golden doodles, you know that they are very difficult to groom and care for, and they have, my golden doodle Hero has very thick hair, and I'm always having to brush him. And so I got this detangling thick and curly hairbrush for when I bathe him. So that's going in his stocking stuffer. So we can't forget our dogs. I'm also gonna give him some bones and some treats too, but gotta give him some beauty items. The next thing I purchased was, I purchased this for my friend. She has a PMD, the PMD at-home microdermabrasion device. So just a cute little stocking stuffer gift. I got her all the little advanced head replacement discs for the PMD. And then the other little gift I got, and all these I'm showing you right now are under $20 and they're on sale, so they'll probably be a lot less expensive as well, so probably around the $10 price point. I got the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Micro Scrubber. My oldest son takes after me. He's a man after my own heart, and he is obsessed with his skin, and he literally wants me to take blackheads out of his face every single day. So he's probably the only teenage boy who doesn't have blackheads. So I got him for a stocking stuffer this Daily Facial Micro Scrubber. He tends to have more dry skin, but he breaks out from sports and stuff, and he, as a boy, and he's a teenager, so he doesn't like to put a lot of stuff on his face, and he just forgets. So I thought this would be a great little thing that he could put his cleanser on and scrub his face and get some natural exfoliation every single day or every other day. I'll kind of monitor him and see how his skin does with this. And then the other gift I got, I don't know who I'm gonna give this to yet, but I just thought it was so beautiful. It says Love Transforms, and Gouache is really popular right now. And so it comes in this beautiful little case, and it's a butterfly. Oh my God, isn't that so beautiful? I thought that would be such a great gift for one of my friends. So you have like the shapes for the gouache, but it's this beautiful little butterfly in this gorgeous little case. So I think this is a great gift idea for any of your girlfriends or any of the women in your life. It's such a beautiful little case, and it's such a beautiful gouache tool. Then I also got, as a stocking stuffer for my son, is the lactic acid, 10% with hyaluronic acid, ordinary. Again, my son breaks out not too bad, but he doesn't have super oily skin, so lactic acid is a larger molecule, so it's not going to dry out the skin, but it's going to give you nice exfoliation, and this has hyaluronic acid mixed in it with it. And I never really knew about the ordinary products because I always carry Eminence and DermaQuest at my spa, but one of my friends turned me on to them, and I really love their at-home peels. They're pretty mild, and I really love them for my teenage kids. So they really like to use these, and if they spill them, they break them, they overuse them. It's not like I have paid a lot of money because this was around $11, so it's a really good price point if you have teenagers who want nice glowing skin, but you don't want to put something too harsh on their face. The ordinary products are really great for that. And then the other product I got, this was higher price point, I believe it was around 70, is the Sunday Riley Acne Treatment Face Oil. And this is a completely natural product. I don't like to put any benzoyl peroxides or harsh chemicals on my son's skin because they're so young. So I thought I would try this out and give this to Anatole because my oldest loves taking care of his skin, and he likes simple products that work well. So this is gonna go into his stocking. And then the gift I got for one of you that you have a chance to win is the NuFace Fix. Now this is a little bit more expensive. This has a price point around $120 to $150. I don't remember, somewhere around there. It is, I believe, also on sale for Black Friday. So it might be 30% off this price point. But if you want to win this, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel and like this video and drop a comment down below. And in 2 weeks, I will contact you so that you can have this before Christmas. Now, I love microcurrent. I love the NuFace. I love the Nuvolution. The MyoLift's also a great device if you have it. And I just started using the A-Jar because a lot of people ask me about it. And I think the A-Jar is a really great, wonderful tool as well. But if you don't have microcurrent and you would like to win this, yeah, just subscribe, drop a comment and like, and you'll get this as a Christmas present for yourself. So I hope you like the gift I picked for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will put the links down below for the skin store. And if you're interested in the full NuFace, it might be on sale. And if you use code DAWN, you also get an extra 25% off on the regular NuFace. So I hope all of you are having just an amazing day and enjoying life and your family and just spreading positivity into the world because we need that more than ever right now. Just to uplift people, even if it's just smiling at someone at the grocery store or just being kind to a stranger. So I hope you guys had a great day watching this unboxing, and I'm really excited for one of you to win this, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.